Okay, so the 14 millimeter comes in at, I'm not going to do that, dude. I'm just kidding. That's a joke. Totally joking. Who wants to measure and take all the time? I've seen videos where guys are putting these on bolts, vices. Nobody wants to see that, dude. Just tell me how it works. I didn't actually throw it. So it's not damaged at all. So as you guys can tell by the title, I'm giving these away for free. A set of Icon wrenches. What is it? 8 through 19 millimeter. And the guy who pointed out number 10 was upside down. It's still upside down. So there you go. But these are great wrenches. I let a couple guys use them in other shops, and they said they were happy with them. If they couldn't afford the snap-on ones, they were going to go ahead and purchase these. They said these are a great beginner set. So what everybody's wondering is how to win these. Go ahead, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, and tell me why you need these, what you're going to use them for, or how you're going to use them. I'll pick a winner in about a week and send them out to you. All you got to do is email me your address. But yeah, these are great little wrenches. I've been using them for a while too. The one thing I heard to complain about, and it's kind of true, is that this side right here is just a little bit thicker. When you're really pulling on a nut or a bolt, it kind of hurts your hand a little bit. So if that was a little bit thicker, that'd be a perfect wrench here. But yeah, I like how it comes with all wrenches. They don't skip any. In other sets that Harbor Freight offers, they skip some sizes. So not skipping a size is really, really neat. Like I said before, all you got to do is subscribe, leave a comment, tell me why you need them, what you're going to use them for, and I'll pick a winner in a week and send them out to you. Let me roll the footage of the guy talking about why he likes them. All right, Jimmy, so you've been using the Icons for about a week and a half maybe? What do you like about them? What don't you like about them?
Okay, so I guess comparing them, I had the way they feel a little sharp. So when you're pulling back on them, they do tend to, you feel it a little bit more. Yeah. I guess when you have gloves, it doesn't really matter, but
how about overall length?
Overall length, let's see. Let's compare one here with the same one, 13. Overall length, I mean, I didn't really feel any difference because they do look a little bit shorter, but I didn't really feel any different. So the Nikon and the Snap-on one. And
you were saying that you kind of felt that it was spanning, it was opening up a little bit when you really torqued on it?
Yeah, so when I really torqued on them, it was definitely, like you said, spanning a little bit. I think I don't think it's like a ridiculous amount compared to the Snap-on, because even the Snap-on ones do it. So I don't think it's that big a deal, but they do span a little more than the Snap-on ones.
Okay. But for like an overall wrench, somebody that's, because you're doing this day in and day out,
yeah,
that's how you make your livelihood.
Right.
If somebody was a, shade tree mechanic, weekend warrior kind of guy, would you recommend this Icon set to them?
I would. Like you're a weekend warrior, like a weekend mechanic or whatever. Like these will probably last you a really long time. I don't know what the warranty is on them, but if you got a warranty on them,
I think it's lifetime.
Oh, that's perfect. Yeah. So if you got that warranty on them, they start like opening up a little bit more. You put it on your bolt or whatever, on your bolt or nut, and granted the nut and the bolt the heads are right, you get a little bit of play in them. You can go get them. I mean, I do that on my Snap-ons all the time. I put them on there, and if there's way too much play on them, I just get it warranted. I'm not gonna be, because you start rounding off bolts that way. But yeah, I mean, I think even for a mechanic that's just getting started, you
recommend this set?
I recommend that set because I think it's going to get him through till he actually gets a little experience, gets a little more money, gets to where he can actually spend the ridiculous amount for Snap-on. And even though I say it's a ridiculous amount for Snap-on, if you have the money for it, I would 100% still spend the money for Snap-on. And
over Matco or Mac.
Yeah, I just feel that. Yeah, I think so. I just feel that the way they feel in your hand, and these little things right here. This is what I love about them. These, I don't know if you see these little ridges right here. They actually, like, if it's starting to open up, they actually catch on the side of the bolt, and it actually helps you like to continue torquing on them. Also makes it feel a little bit. you know, like you have more of a grip on them.
Tighter?
And yeah, tighter, exactly. And then if you just see that here's, and I think this is where the spanning comes from. There's definitely a little bit more thickness on the Snap-on one versus the Icon one. So I think that's what it gives you a little more rigidness on the Snap-on. Like I said, it's not that much more of a difference. Also, when you grab the Snap-on here, I talked earlier about this one feeling a little sharper on your hand versus this one. This one has a little more material. It's a little more rounded, but like I said, it's not really a big deal.
Okay.
You know,
so if you can afford the Snap-on, do it. But the
Right.
Icon set here is
Yeah.
well worth its money of $100.
Yeah, for sure. I would recommend this Icon set to any mechanic just getting started. Heck, I mean, I'd work with these. You know, if you're just you know, against Snap-on, against anything expensive, I would definitely work on these right here. I see no problem with these right there. You know,
Okay.
granted, I've used them for about a week and a half. You know, brand new, they're working.
Was there ever a
great.
time when you're working with them, you're like, I don't want to use this, I'm just going to go back to my Snap-on?
No, actually, I made sure that I was just, you know, as I was working on them, I never felt like, you know what, I need my Snap-on one, that whatever. But you know what, wrenches are wrenches too. There's going to be people out there being, you know, trying to put like 400 foot-pounds on it. The wrenches are wrenches, dude. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, if you really need, if this thing really can't get in there, or whatever, and you can't put your box end wrench in there, you got to use a socket where a socket needs to be used. And I mean, wrenches where, you know, wrenches need to be used. And, you know, there's some, if a wrench can't take it off, you know, even a Snap-on one, you know, you might have some rust, some cross-threading issues or something like that, you know. Let's not be quick to blame it on the wrench either, you know. So
Blame it on the wrench.
Right, just blame it on the wrench. So
Blame it on the rain, baby.
right.
Next time I'll bring you some sockets to test out.
There you go. Sounds good.
All right, Jamie, thanks a lot, man.
Yeah, no problem, man.
And they even stay crunchy in milk.